Welcome to Shaolin Worldwide. My name is Polina. Today we're going to do a workout for beginners to learn Tai Chi Chuan. So let's get started. So we're starting from the left leg. So the distance between legs are the same as in our shoulders. Then we're going down slowly. The arms are relaxed near the body. So in this position, we're checking our knees so they will not go inside or outside or forward. So be really gentle with yourself and try to listen. How are you breathing? Take a deep inhale and exhale. The hands could be relaxed near the body or on the top of your stomach. Belly, where is your back, the knees, the legs, and try just to calm down, to be concentrated in self, inside yourself. So the second movement we are doing is slowly making our arms up. You can imagine that you're swimming in the pool, so like the arms should feel really sinking, like they're sinking and you're trying to make them up, like this. So this is the first movement. After that, try to give more attention to your arms, to bring the energy to your arms. First of all, you can use your eyes to watch the arms, and when you're looking at the object, so it will be more easy to make the movements more filled in. So going up, you can take a deep breath and down. Breathe out. So the second movement. Still, we're doing the站桩. And now, making our arms in circle. So this is the basic stand. You can imagine that you're holding a ball or a tree. So this position, it could be your whole workout actually, because sometimes you can stand in this for 10 minutes, 20, 30 or an hour to feel the energy better. So here, we're checking again the head, the back, the knees, and you need to feel like a ball that going bigger and bigger. So the hands, the energy in the hands is supposed to feel like something is like blowing up, and in your knees it should feel the same. Like here's a ball that's going bigger and bigger. So here, still you need to feel relaxed and control your breath. So taking a deep breath and breathe out. You can close your eyes. So the third movement that we're going to learn today is the Repulse Monkey. So our arms going from the front, keep our left arm in front of yourself and the right one going to the belly. And don't forget to stand in the Jianzhuan. So make your knees a bit softened and the back should be straight. From this position, the eyes looking to the front arm. Then, slowly, the right arm going this way and to the head. And you need to feel like you're pushing something, like to put your energy and imagine that you're pushing something, the object in front. And the left hand going back. Here, slowly, you're starting to turn the arm. Here, this arm going back. Pushing. And don't forget to breathe. So all movements should be really soft. And the forms of your arms also should be really circled. So one more movement that we're going to learn today, it's to wave your hands as clouds. It's a basic movement that we can do also in the stand of Jianzhuan. So we soften our legs checking our back, the head, and starting to learn the new movement. So the position will start here. Slowly, one hand going down and other going up. You need to remember to keep your arms like a circle. Here should be really softened position of the arm, and here should be the same. And don't forget to keep your knees in front of the body. Here we need to work with our back, so it's turning. We're turning the whole body like this, left and right, and the knees are kept in the same place, and the body is turning left and right. So with the arms. Breathing in and breathing out. Here, we can learn the movement that our legs doing. Really simple. So, when arms going right side, our leg going left, like this. Softly. We're going left side. And going other side. So if you feel this is too easy for you, you can go a bit down on your knees, so you will feel a bit burning in your legs. But don't forget about the back, so it will be straight, so energy will go from the head till the bottom. And from this position, starting the movement. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe Shaolin Worldwide and text below what you want to see next. I'm Polina Sokolova. You can find me on Instagram. See you. 谢谢，再见。